Let's determine the domain first. So domain is the all possible values of the graph of this relation. As we can see that the graph extends in both directions. That is, on the left it extends, as well as on the right it extends. So we say that the domain of the function is all real numbers, or in interval notation we write down this as from negative infinity to positive infinity. So this is the domain of this relation. Now let's understand the range of this relation. The range is all possible values of y such that it is defined under the domain of the relation. As we can see that the graph extends in both both upward and downward direction. This is upward direction. However, the graph is not defined in this value. We don't have any values starting from y equals negative 2 as well as y equal to positive 4. So it is defined for all real numbers except from minus 2 to 4. So we can represent this in interval notation as if we start from negative infinity, it starts from negative infinity until it reaches negative 2. We have the graph, and then we have to put union, and then it starts from positive 4 and then extends to positive infinity. So this basically represents the range of this relation. Now let's determine whether this is a function or not using the vertical line test. So here I have the vertical line. I'm going to place this on the graph. So I'm going to place it at x equal to negative 5. We say that if the line intersects at exactly at one point on the graph, then we say that the relation is a function. Otherwise, we say that it is not a function. Clearly, we can see that this line intersects the graph of this relation at 2 points. That is for a single value of x. That is when x equal to negative 5, we basically get two values. That is the value, this looks like a 5, and this value looks like 1 2, like a negative 3. So for x equal to negative 5, we get two values of y. So we can say that since the vertical line intersects the graph at 2 points for a single value of x, we see that this relation is not a function. So we see that it is not a function.